Hello children, in this video I am going to explain questions from exercise 4.1, question number 8 and 9. Let's see. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay. If we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Here, we need to find out the length and breadth of the rectangle, and the two situations has been explained, and those two situations are tie up with the area of the rectangle. Okay, children? So let's do now. Solution. So our finding is area, length and breadth, right? So let length of a rectangle is x units. Breadth of the rectangle is y units. So since we are talking here about the area, so area of the rectangle is x into y, because length into breadth, xy units. Square units, area will be always square units. Okay, unit square. So now what they have given in the first situation, area of the rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. 80 square units. If its length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 units. So length got reduced 5 units it seems. So we can write length is x now. X got reduced by 5 units. Reduced means minus 5. Okay. And next, breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth is y. Increased means plus sign, 2 units. Okay, that is equal to area of a rectangle reduced by 80 square units. Area of the original rectangle is xy. So it got reduced 80 square units. I repeat, first length reduced by 5 units. So length is x minus 5. And breadth got increased by 2 units. So breadth is y units. So y plus 2. That is equal to original area is xy. So it got reduced 80 square units. So xy minus 80. See, length into breadth is equal to area, isn't it? So these both are areas only. Let's simplify this more. X into y, xy. Okay, x into 2 plus 2x minus 5 into y, distributive property, minus 5y minus into plus minus 5 to the 10 is equal to xy minus 80. Either side of the equal to symbol we have xy, you can cancel. Now transpose this constant term to the other side. 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 80 as it is, and minus 10 will become plus 10. So 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. This is equation 1. Now we will frame another equation from the question. If we increase the length by 10 units, length got increased 10 units. So x plus 10. Increase means plus ma. Next. And decrease the breadth by 5 units. Breadth we have taken it as a y now. So breadth got decreased. Decreased means y minus 5. Then what they have given condition? Area will increase by 50 units. Increase symbol is plus. 50 it has been increased. So let's again apply the distributive property. This into this into this. X into y, xy, minus 5 into x, 5x, 10 into y, 10y, minus 10 into plus into minus minus 5 tens are 50 is equal to xy plus 50. Either side of the equal to we have xy cancel. Now minus 5x plus 10y, transpose this 50 to the other side, 50 plus 50. Here already 150 is there and it got transposed, becomes a 50. So now minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Okay, this is our second equation. Now we need to find out the length and breadth. That means x and y values we need to derive. So we need to solve 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. How can we solve? Solve 1 and 2. Observe their coefficients. First equation coefficient and a second equation coefficients. For example, x is the variable. X coefficient is 2. Here x coefficient is minus 5. Not same. Y coefficient is minus 5 and here it is a 10. Not same. So, but have you seen this 10 is a multiple of 5? That means when this 5 got multiplied with the 2, then they both will have the same coefficients and we can eliminate this y coefficient. It is quite difficult for finding two variables at a time, children. ఇక్కడ x y టూ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో ఎట్ ఏ టైం మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎలిమినేటింగ్ వన్ వేరియబుల్, వీ నీడ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ వన్ వేరియబుల్. సో ఫర్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు మేక్ ఈక్వలెంట్ టు ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వేరియబుల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్. సో ఎక్స్ యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ కానీ వై యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ కానీ ఈక్వలైజ్ చేసి we need to remove one of the variable so that we can find out easily one variable. Okay, so I am multiplying the first equation with the number 2. Let's take equation 1 should be multiplied with the 2. What it gives? 2 into 2x, 4x, minus 2 5 is a 10y, is equal to minus 270 is a 140. Yes. Now second equation y coefficient is the same, na? So we will take it as it is second equation. Minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Now the question is either we need to add or subtract. What we have to do? Nana, if we add, suppose these both are opposite signs, they both will get cancelled. Subtract chesam ankondi, second equation signs will change and this will become again minus, like symbols will be added. So we need to do here addition. Now let's do 4 minus 5 is minus 1x. Greater number sign follows. And these both are opposite signs with the same coefficients and the variables you can cancel. That is equal to minus 140 and plus 100 gives minus 40. Okay. So now minus x is equal to minus 40. Minus minus cancel, x is equal to 40. Now put this x value in any one of the equation. I am putting in 1. Put x value in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Let's put this. 2 times of x value is a 40 minus 5y is equal to minus 70. 2 40s are 2 4s are 80. Minus 5y is equal to minus 70. So minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Bring this 80 other side. Plus 80 becomes minus 80. So minus 5y is equal to, like symbols can be added, same sign follows, 2 7 14 15 150. Minus minus cancel either side of the equal to symbol. y is equal to 150. Here it is 5 is multiplication. When it comes this side, division. So y value is equal to 5 3 is a 15. So 30. 30. So units. Okay. Here x also units. So x is a length, y is a breadth. Therefore, length is equal to 30. For length is equal to how much we got x value? 40 units. Length is equal to 40 units, whereas breadth is equal to 30 units. Next. Next question. Next question. Ninth question. In a class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. In one bench, 3 students sat, 1 bench will be left. 1 student will be left, not bench. Okay. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Okay. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. Three members కూర్చుంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్, ఒక బెంచ్ మీద 3 members కూర్చుంటే 1 student will be left. 4 students కూర్చుంటే 1 bench will be left. So we need to find out the number of students and number of benches present in that class. Let's see. So our finding is students and the benches. So now you got it. Hope you got it. Which is x and which is y, right? So let's take it. Solution. Let number of students is equal to x. Number of benches is equal to y. Now the first condition is 3 students sit on each bench. Bench is y now. 3 students means 3. 3 into y. Number of students will be 3 into y. 1 student will be left, -1. So let's write equation for the number of students. Okay, so x is equal to, if 3 students, number of students is equal to how many members they will become? 3 students in y benches. So 3y. 1 student will be left. So 1 student will be left means extra 1 student is there. If you want to write the equation for total students, Nanna, total students ki manam equation రాస్తుంటే 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒక్కొక్క బెంచ్ మీద కూర్చుంటే మనకు y బెంచెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 3y. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మన దగ్గర 3 బెంచెస్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, 3 3s 9 స్టూడెంట్స్ అవుతారు. ఆల్రెడీ 1 స్టూడెంట్ లెఫ్ట్ కదా, సో +1 యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తారు. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్, number of students are denoted with the x. X is equal to 3 into y plus 1 student already there. Okay, so we need to add that student also, +1. This is one condition. No need to simplify this. Let it be like this. Next, another condition. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Again, we will write a total students. For finding total students, we will make one more equation with the given second condition. What is the total students? X. X is equal to 4 students sit on each bench, ante 4y. Then 1 bench will be left. 1 bench will be left means how many students can sit on 1 bench? 4 students can sit, right? So -4 I will remove. Understood? 4 students ఒక్కొక్క బెంచ్ మీద కూర్చుంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ 4y అవుతారు. కానీ 1 bench will be left kada. That bench will be capable of sitting 4 students, no? So you need to remove -4, right? Yes, Nana. So now this will become the second equation. Now, now we need to solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So here x coefficients are same 1 and 1. Okay. So we can write directly. First equation is x is equal to 3y plus 1. X is equal to 4y minus 4. So if we add both the equations, suppose if we add, this will become 2x. Instead of that, we'll subtract. So if we subtract, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus, this minus sign will become plus. Plus x minus x get cancelled, 0 here. 3 minus 4 gives minus 1y, simply y. And plus 1 plus 4 gives plus 5. So now bring this constant to the other side. Plus 5 will become minus 5. So minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 5. Y means what here? Number of benches. So we got total y benches. Now let's put this. Put y is equal to 5 in equation 1. Put y is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? This is equation 1. X is equal to 3 into, in the place of y, put 5. 3 plus 1. So x is equal to 3 5 is a 15 plus 1. So x is equal to 16. So number of students are therefore number of students is equal to 16 and number of benches 5. If we want even we can check. Suppose 3 students sit. So how many benches will be required? 3 5 is 15. One student will be left like that. Suppose 4 students will be sit. 4 4 is 16. But we have a 5 benches, so one bench will be left. So hence it is matching with our given conditions. Thank you.